As we age, the rules change. What used to work stops working. What used to feel easy starts to feel heavy. But here's the truth: no one tells you. You are not broken. You are simply in a new phase of leadership over your body. Muscle is the first to slip when hormones shift, stress accumulates, and recovery is ignored. This isn't failure, it's biology, and it has a name: sarcopenia. Sarcopenia is the age-related decline in muscle mass and strength. It doesn't happen overnight, but when left unchecked, it chips away at your mobility, confidence, posture, and metabolic power. And here's the part most women don't know: it begins long before you feel it. After 40, your body becomes less efficient at using protein to rebuild muscle. Your hormone levels begin to drop, and unless you're actively sending the signal to maintain lean tissue, your muscle starts to disappear. But the fix isn't more cardio, more restriction, or more punishment. It's lifting heavy things. It's reclaiming protein as a non-negotiable. It's giving your body the signal that strength is still required here. Strength training, especially when paired with the right peptides, doesn't just slow sarcopenia, it reverses it. You can build, you can tone, you can reshape. You're not past your prime. You're finally ready to lead with precision. Queen's reminders: sarcopenia is common, but not inevitable. Strength training 3 times a week can reshape your trajectory. Protein is not optional. Aim for 30-40 grams per meal, especially post-training. Peptides like CJC, ipamorelin, and tesamorelin amplify what you're already doing, but they don't replace the signal. This stage of life is not about shrinking, it's about becoming unbreakable.